Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to count characters in a cell, both with and without spaces, in Excel. Have you ever needed to know exactly how many characters are in a cell, perhaps for data validation, ensuring consistency, or even just curiosity? Excel makes this super easy. In this video, we'll cover two simple yet powerful formulas, len for counting all characters, including spaces, and a combination of len and substitute to count characters excluding spaces. Before we dive in, if you find this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tips and tricks. Okay, let's get started. Visual, Excel sheet with sample data in column A. For example, A1 Hello World, A2 Excel tips, A3 Counting characters, ***. Alright, so here we have some sample text in column A. Let's say we want to find out how many characters are in each cell, spaces included. Visual, select cell B1. Type in =len, A1, and press enter. All we need to use is the len function. So in cell B1, we'll type =len, A1, and press enter. Visual, show the result of the formula in B1. Should display 11 for Hello World. See that? The formula returned 11 because Hello World has 11 characters, spaces included. Visual, drag the formula in B1 down to apply to the other cells in column A. Now, we can simply drag the formula down to apply it to the other cells. You'll see the character count for each cell in column B. Easy peasy. Visual, move to column C. The goal is to count characters without spaces. Select cell C1. Type in =len, substitute, A1, comma and press enter. Okay, so what if we want to count the characters without the spaces? That's where the substitute function comes in handy. In cell C1, we're going to type a slightly longer formula, =len, substitute, A1, comma and press enter. Visual, show the result of the formula in C1. Should display 10 for Hello World. Let's break this down. The substitute function replaces all occurrences of a specific text within a string with another text. In this case, we are replacing all spaces with nothing. So, it effectively removes all spaces. Then, the len function counts the characters in the modified string, giving us the character count without spaces. Visual, drag the formula in C1 down to apply to the other cells in column A. Just like before, we can drag this formula down to apply it to all the cells in column A. Now column C displays the character count without spaces. Visual, briefly highlight column B and C to show the difference in results. See the difference? Column B shows the total character count, including spaces, and column C shows the character count excluding spaces. And that's it. You now know how to count characters in a cell, both with and without spaces, in Excel. It's a simple trick, but it can be incredibly useful in various situations. Remember to use the len function for counting all characters and the len combined with substitute function for counting characters without spaces. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tips for more Excel tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments below what other Excel tricks you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and happy excelling!